How to install the Canon LBP 6030 printer driver on Windows 10. This tutorial shows you how to get it set up and ready to print. First, open your browser. Go to the official Canon support website. After that, search for LBP 6030 in the search bar. From there, click on your printer model from the results. At this point, click Drivers and Downloads. Select Windows 10 as your operating system. In the next step, click Download next to the driver listed. Following this, wait for the file to finish downloading. Once done, open the downloaded setup file. From here, click Yes if prompted by user account control. At this stage, follow the on-screen instructions and click Next through the setup steps. Keep in mind, make sure your printer is connected via USB and powered on before starting the installation, since some driver installers detect the printer automatically. Finally, click Finish once installation completes, then print a test page to confirm it's working. And that's it. If this guide helped you install the Canon LBP 6030 printer driver, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.